सत्याग्रह चालू आरंभ होईची चालू रही एवं चलो तार कारण अत्यंत स्पष्ट लेट मी टॉक द लीगल लाइन्स the archaeological monuments the ancient monuments and archaeological sites and remains act which is called Ramsar Act that was enacted to protect the archaeological monuments inside this entire country. And as per the Ramsar Act, Sri Jagannath temple is an archaeological monument. The Ramsar Act says 100 meters from any archaeological monument is a restricted zone, prohibited zone. What is prohibited zone? No type of construction is allowed as per the provisions of the Ramsar Act. And in this case, in the particular case, keeping in view the interest of Sri Jagannath temple, we found there is clear-cut violation of the Ramsar Act. The earth is there is digging up earth. There is construction of heavy pillars within 50 meters of the Sri Jagannath temple Act, which is completely illegal, and the entire proceeding, the construction process that has been publicized in different electronic channels, everything is visible, everything is clear. Still, ASI has remained silent. The state government is doing all those things and the central government is silent. We are very surprised, very much confusing how this could happen. When 100 meters from a archaeological monument like Sri Jagannath temple that is being destroyed by the state government through different agencies, and the agencies such as courts, such as ASI and other constitutional institutions which have the duty to protect the ancient and archaeological monuments, they are silent despite the repeated protests from Puri town and other sources, despite the protest from the Puri Bar Association, despite the very many cases have been filed in different courts. The court is remaining silent to give an order. The institutions which have been constitutionally empowered to protect the archaeological monuments, they have been silent. That is why we are compelled to come out of the association. We have come to the streets to stage the dharana, or we may say that is satyagraha, to protect the rule of law in Puri town, in the country, to safeguard the interest of the law in the country. Supreme Court has categorically, and in Katana cases, has categorically said the law should be, law is law, howsoever hard it may be, but it should be implemented in strict adherence. And in this case, we see the law which is expected to be protected by the respective central and state governments, they are violating. That is why we are staging the satyagraha, and law is law. Law should be protected, law should be implemented in its strict sense, and that is why we have just, this is symbolic this is symbolic exhibition. We expect all the law-knowing people, all the lawyers, all the advocates of this country to come up front and protest this thing in a manner so the state government, central government and the judicial authorities will be cautious, and they will work for the protection and safeguard of the law in this country.